I'm pretty excited about this. This is a speaker by BenQ. I've had monitors by BenQ before, never a speaker. This one, the TrevoloS, is supposed to compete with things like the Bose, I can't remember what it's called, but I have one. By reports, this is supposed to be a pretty good little speaker. Let's check it out. Wow, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. So this is one of the unique features about this speaker. It's got these wings. So you're supposed to put it someplace with a wall behind it, and then how far away it is from that wall, and probably I guess what that wall's made out of and such, is supposed to change how it sounds, especially at the low end, the bass and such. There's not too much as far as controls here. Power button, Bluetooth button, plus and minus volume, one that says mode, and then play and pause. So the power supply is really just a micro USB sized connector. And the power supply says 5 volts, 2 amps. Looks like there's another port here, probably for an aux in, I'm guessing. Okay, red light's on. Okay, Bluetooth light is flashing. Time to pair it with something, I guess. TrevoloS shows up right there. There we go. Connected. Best song for testing sounds of a speaker? Hotel California. I could hear a lot more bass when I was behind it. I'm going to see just for fun how it sounds if I close the wings. That sounds way different and way better with those wings open. Now for comparison, I'm going to go grab my Bose speaker and listen to them side by side, see how much of a difference there is. This is my Bose Sound Link Mini. Had this for a long time. Sounds good. I like how it sounds. Let's compare them. So the Bose gets louder, but at least standing behind it, it's also more distorted. Almost too much bass. I'm impressed and a little surprised. They both sound great, and they should. This speaker, when we bought it new, was around $250, I think. This one, I think, is around $200. I expected less performance out of this BenQ speaker than I got. To my unprofessional ear, I felt like there was quite a bit of range. There was a lot of mid-range and really a good mix of treble and bass. It says it has 18 hours. Yep, 18 hours of battery life. Playing music for 18 hours. That's pretty good. It's definitely heavy enough that I can believe that. It also says it'll accept 16-bit music through the USB port. That's cool. Bose doesn't have that. So I've had the speaker now for a couple of weeks, and there's a couple things I wanted to add to the review. First, I set up this TrevoloS speaker and my Bose speaker, and got my 2 teenage boys, and alternated between the 2 speakers, and asked them which they liked best. They did like the Bose best, but it was hard for them to decide. They both sound really good. The other thing I want to say is that I've got this speaker hooked up to my computer just with the USB cable. I'm using Windows 10, and it recognized this speaker and just lists it as one of my outputs. And all I have connected is the USB cable. Even with it connected to the computer, I can still connect my phone to the TrevoloS speaker with USB. Overall, I definitely give it a big thumbs up. A lot of people like Bose, but there are people who don't. So if you're looking for a good alternative to something like this, check out the BenQ TrevoloS. That's it. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, adios.